Hello.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to the SRS workshop. We've got Gheeup in today on the hoist. We are carrying on from Andy's
What are we doing today?
beginnings.
What are we doing today? Let's tell everyone for the first time
not the third
what we're
time today.
doing.
This is the first take. So, stripping the car. Car's getting sandblasted back to bare metal on Thursday. It is currently Tuesday, and Andy is nowhere.
Not here. He's not around.
So I am stepping up to the plate. You know, just company man, getting it done. You know, just like George.
Someone's got to carry the team. You know,
who's going to carry the boats and the logs?
No one. It'll sink. Are you Noah?
Yeah.
Cut that out.
Cut it out. Basically stripping everything out of it. I've got to get all the wiring out of the doors, all the glass out of the doors, all the plastic off, anything that sand will hurt.
All zip ties that have been cut.
Absolutely everything. Once we've got all that off, it'll go on the hoist, and then we'll take it up, we'll take the subframes out, put it on casters. Then, hopefully we'll have a rotisserie dropped off, either today or tomorrow.
And then hopefully Andrew will be in to then help us put his car on the rotisserie.
We'll get it on the rotisserie. Yeah, Thursday it's getting sandblasted.
What they do there is they get a lot of sand and they blast your car, right? And it just removes everything.
Daniel's actually not doing anything over here, so you can tell them about what you're doing.
Bro, what did I was just explaining how sandblasting works.
Sorry.
Anyway, before I got rudely interrupted, you get sand, you blast it, and that creates sandblasting, right? Can you just lock yourself? Oh no. Cobber. Yep. Yeah, I see what you've done there.
Yeah.
So what he's done, right, is he's pulled, so we've been pulling the car apart as he said, right? Now he's shut the door. Now we can't open the door. Oh, lad. George can't get it. There it is.
I'm the best.
There it is. See that? Any B&E needs, hit us up.
B&Es.
Get you some bacon and eggs.
Bacon and eggs. May or may not be green.
Anyway, let me just step out of my office.
What are you doing, Daniel?
Let me take you over here, show you what I do.
Take you over there.
The haircut there, look at this fresh cut. Permed and panelled.
Permed and panelled.
Permed and panelled.
Permed and panelled.
So, come over here with us, George. We'll talk about this Crossmember that we haven't spoke about yet. So on Friday, we decided to make a start on the R34. Last week, Sam dummied up the block, put the powerglide behind her, and now we're just working on a gearbox Crossmember, so we'll essentially do exactly what we're doing, hold the gearbox up to the car as, you know, as such. You want me to call them? Oh, all right, I'll leave it with you. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed last week. Keep watching. We're at 1,000 subscribers, so it's Tuesday. I'm gonna go weld this out. Thanks for tuning in. See you in some B-rolls.
See you in some B-rolls.
Wait, I'll see you in some B-rolls.
I'll see you in some B-rolls.
See how fast I am? You're so slow. Imagine that, George. Anyway, serious talks. Do you know how much I love you? So. Trying to like do a bit. R34 GTT build in here. Oh, I've got the runny nose. Hold up, George. Oh, you're getting very mad up there. R34 GTT build in the shop. So we've started to Fuck you, Stuart. One more interruption though and we're gonna have a fucking issue. We've got, don't. George, do you know how hard it is? Do you know how hard it is?
Oh yeah.
Seriously, all serious. So we have the black R34 GTT build in the shop this week. It's been in the shop for a few weeks. We've just decided it's time to make a start on it. We've cut the front tub out, front tower out, sorry, no tubs. You say, you have just you have just ruined me, eh? Now I'm all flustered and finding pressure points. Black, I've said that too many times. I've cut the front battery trays out so far. Yesterday I finished up the gearbox Crossmember to suit the powerglide in this thing. Now we have Trevor over here making f***ing racket. I'll just get it up here in the air there, George, and everyone watching, so you can all see what I've been up to. So, you just wanna, you're getting so much better on that leg, George. We finished up the Crossmember to suit the powerglide behind the billet RB32 motor going in the R34. We've got the powerglide behind here. We are, touch me. Don't! This one is an R chassis, so the engine bay isn't the nicest thing from factory. I don't know what Nissan were thinking when they put it together, when the S chassis was pretty much flawless on what I believe was flawless. So we've just got to tidy everything up, clear all the paint off the engine bay, plug up everything we don't want open still. Got to pull the dummy motor back out so I've got more room to move. Capping the rails, cap them bad boys off. And yeah, process of cleaning up an engine bay. Stay tuned. Stick around. Watch me do it. What? You will though. Watch me. I need this bit, George. See that, George? That's pup. It's abbreviated for passenger side up. No one knows that but me and you now, George.
Get on my way, I need space to get the fake car. Get on my way, I need space, I'm about to take off. Get on my way, yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get on my way, it's too easy, it's a layup. Give me my space, I'm in my pride. I was a prisoner, all of the mind. Now I'm a traveler leading the line. They wanna cut me, I'm bleeding divine. Home of the greed, land of the slaves. No, we ain't free, still we do great. No, we ain't free, still we do great. Yeah, still we do great.
It's easier to hang on to a drift car than a wire wheel some days.
Spin, I set the trend, king of the fall. Home of the winter, by spring I'll be gone. I don't be putting it all on the ground, so they never know what that I'll be on. Get on my way, I need space to get the fake car. Get on my way, I need space, I'm about to take off. Get on my way, yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get on my way, it's too easy, it's a layup, layup. Look, I was just a little bitty boy with hopes and dreams. Then those hopes they manifested to nobody dope as me. Hoop dreams, rap wars, it's pop culture, that's gorgeous. Skywalker, that force is quite strong that I'm born with. A goofy cornball clout chaser claiming rap. You the reason why
I'm all dirty. Hey, welcome back. No, we've already been back. Welcome. Yep. So, LM33 turned up last Friday on the tow truck. It's customer's car, got here from New Zealand just recently. I'm not going to go into detail about it, just want to give you a little sneak peek of what's happening this week, what we got around the shop, and yeah, let's get to it.
Where are you going?
In there.
Just
Why
in
not?
here. You can just
Why
stand
can't I go right in there?
You can't go on. You can just stand at the front.
I'll just stand.
You just stand at the front. Say you love me. Yeah, right. Okay, so we got Gheeup on the rotisserie. This morning we dry iced all the sound deadening out of the inside of the car.
George has some B-roll of that bad boy. It's frothing!
Oh, where's the dustpan? Oh, is it cold?
No, it erupted.
Car's on the rotisserie, car's about to go on a tow truck. It's going to get sandblasted, then it's going to go get painted, and then it's going to come back to us, and we're going to...
You're going to enjoy a video of putting together a 1300 horsepower car in 15 minutes.
What if it's not longer than 15 minutes?
George will do everything he needs to do to make it 15 minutes.
Just cut short, car's half done.
15 minutes.
Anyway, we'll reverse everything that we just did, put it all back in the car.
Reverse engineer everything.
Yeah, so that's it.
Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this week's video.
Have a good, another long weekend.
Yeah, third time round.
Get going.
All right.